John got a fish. The whopper of the day.
Oh, poor guy.
Yeah, release him gently in the water. A proper way to release.
A little bit later, a little bit past 8, and we moved a little bit more to this side, the south side, where the bubblers are. And it seems like just a little bit of those vast structures where, you know, fish gets to hide. See how it's gonna go? I have a garlic flavored mackerel on mine. Greg has a garlic flavored shrimp. And this is the time of the day when they start biting. Hopefully we do good. And today, fishing in the dark.
And get the net. Oh. Woo. Nope, we don't want to get in the net. Yeah, you just cast it out there too. Yeah.
That's a good one.
Fresh piece of mackerel, right?
Yeah, mackerel. Yeah, when you handle these guys, you gotta look out for this thing. The fin, it's really pointy. If they stick you, you could be in big trouble.
Did he swallow it or is it on his...
Oh!
And they bite.
They bite pretty good.